Hello guys and welcome to another video, and today I'm going to talk about this. So this is a Keychron K2 keyboard which is from company Keychron. I think this is American startup which and this one this keyboard is the popular keyboard which they are selling. The one which I have is the first version. Right now there are second version also available. There are some minor tweaks here and there, but both are like similar, and I'm going to talk about this one. So first of all, to start with, where I got this, I got this from their website, which is keychron.com/in for India. Like it's very hard to get this keyboard because it's not available all the time. You have to check every time or every now and then to check their availability. Otherwise, you won't get that. I literally message them on Instagram when this keyboard will be available. Then I had to wait for a couple of months, and then I got this one. It's pretty hard to get this in India, like other devices or other electronic stuff also, which are made outside of the India. Kab sudharenge yaar politicians. So this one is my first mechanical keyboard. Why I bought this one is because of this form factor. This is very small. It doesn't take that much space on your desk, and it's clickable, it's mechanical, and it's wireless. So to talk about the design, what I didn't like is the height. Whatever the reviews I have seen about this, people are complaining about the wrist pain they are getting by using this keyboard. That thing I never had. As a developer, I use this keyboard for 6 to 7 hours in a day, but I never felt the pain in my wrist. But I didn't like the height thing. Okay, so on their side you have USB Type C. Also you get this keyboard works with Windows, Android, and Mac OS. That's a pretty good thing. And also you can also use this as a wired if the charging gets out. To talk about the charging, if I had fully charged this thing, then it will work for couple of days for me, or more than that. I never counted the days, because I never felt this thing has a poor battery life or anything. So I never counted that days, how much days this battery life lasts. But the battery life is really good about this keyboard. The escape key which they have provided is in a red color. I really like that. Also in the packaging it comes with the Windows key, extra keys. Like for the Windows keyboard you have the Windows button, and for the Mac thing you have the command or the control button. The model which I have here is the RGB one. I went for the RGB because the RGB backlight, because I wanted the RGB color in my desk setup. That's why I got this. So when I was when I was looking for a wireless keyboard, I was looking for a maybe mechanical and wireless, because I wanted to make my desk setup a wireless thing. So the Keychron was one of their choice, and there was another choice which was the Logitech MX keys. The Logitech one may be probably great than this one, but it is a bigger keyboard, and I don't want it to have a bigger keyboard. That's why I went for this one. Let's hear the noise, how this sounds. I will not lie, when I got this thing, it gave me a couple of days to get to used to this thing, because I really hate my MacBook's keyboard, which is a butterfly keyboard. I really don't like the key travel is pretty less and everything. So that's why I wanted to go for an external keyboard, which would be the wireless thing. But to start with this keyboard, it got me couple of days to get to used to it. because this one is a really small keyboard, and I used to sometimes accidentally mistakenly press another key, but it kind of grows on you, and I think I'm really happy about getting this keyboard. So yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. People are asking about this keyboard, so I thought why not to make a video and share my thoughts. I really like this keyboard. I bought this for 6,000 to 7,000 bucks, and in that price range, this one is pretty good. This one is wireless. It connects up to 3 devices. That's a pretty good deal. You can connect your your laptop, your phone, or your iPad, or whatever device you have, the Bluetooth thing, and you can prettily see switch between them easily also. So I think in this price range, to 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, this one is pretty good deal, and it's premium also. So I think you guys will also like it. Let me know what you guys think about this keyboard. If you had one, what is your experience on that? Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.